Children, let us continue the chapter Coordinate Geometry. Now, let us solve the exercise 3. The first question is, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, first one, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. Second one, minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 2. Now, let us take the first one. The vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2 minus 4. 3 points are given. They are the 3 vertices of the triangle. Now, let us consider this is a pair x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Write the formula for the area of the triangle. You know the formula to find the area of the triangle when the vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So, what is that formula? It is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So, write area of triangle ABC equals, or area of triangle equals half of, under the square bracket you write x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. You must write the formula like this way only. First you write half, and under the square bracket you must write x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. After writing the formula, here the values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 are there. So here x1 is, what is that x1? x1 is 2. So first you write half into, what is the value of x1? 2. You write 2 here. In the place of x1 you write 2. And in the bracket, under the bracket you write y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3 you write. Right? y2 minus y3. What is y2? 0 minus of minus 4. 0 minus of minus 4 plus. Next x2. What is the value of x2? x2 is minus 1. In the place of x2, write minus 1 into y3 minus y1. In the place of y3, what we have to write? Minus 4 minus y1 value is 3 plus then x3. What is the value of x3? x3 value is 2. So, write 2 into y1 is 3 minus y2 value is 0. Then equals half into 2, and you solve the bracket here. 0 minus minus 4 is 0 plus 4. It is 0 plus 4 plus, you write minus 1 as it is. What is the sum of minus 4 minus 3? As they are having same sign, we have to add them and put the same sign. What is that? Sum of minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7. Then plus 2 into 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then you write half, and 2 into 0 plus 4 is 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into minus 7, that you know 7 ones are 7 plus 6, and that is 1 by 2 into 2 4s are 8 plus 7 plus 6. Then area of triangle equals half into, what is that? 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Half into 21 is 21 by 2. That equals what? Divide 21 by 2, you will get 10.5. That is 21 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. So 1 is not divisible by 2. Put 0 and take 0 here after taking point. So 2 5s are 10. So 21 by 2 is 10.5 square units. What you write? 10.5 square units. This way you got the area of the triangle when the 3 vertices are given. Then the second one, the coordinates are -5 -1 and 3 -5. Third one 5 2. Here the coordinates of the 3 vertices of the triangle are given, and consider the first pair is x1 y1, second x2 y2, third x3 y3. Third one x3 y3. Then area of triangle equals, write the formula, that is half into, in the square bracket, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Here you observe the way of writing the formula: x1 y2 y3 in one set, x2 y3 y1 and x3 y1 y2. Now you substitute the values of x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 equals half into x1 value is -5, y2 is also -5, minus y3 is 2. Y3 is 2. Next plus x2 is 3 into y3. Y3 is 2 minus y1. Minus y1 is, y1 is here -1. So you write minus of -1 as y1 is -1. Now then plus x3. x3 is 5. y1 is -1 minus y2, that is y2 is -5. Then half into, right, -5 into -7 plus 3 into 2 minus of -1 is 2 plus 1, you write 2 plus 1 plus 5 into, this is -1, minus of -5 is +5 equals half into -5 into -7 is 35 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 5 into 5 minus 1 is 4 equals 1/2 into 35, right? 35 plus 9, 5 4s are 20. Then area of triangle equals half into, what is the sum of 35, 9 and 20? 35 plus 9 is 44. 44 plus 20 is 64. Therefore, area of triangle equals, you know that half of 64 means 64/2. that equals 32 square units. So you write area of triangle equals 32 square units. You got the area of the second triangle also. The second question, in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Here 3 points are given, and given that they are collinear and the unknown k is there, we have to find the value of k. How will we get the value of k here? Here we have to find the formula for the area of the triangle. Then what is the area of the triangle as the points are collinear? You know that here there is no formation of the triangle, means the area must be 0. So with the help of that idea, we have to find the value of k here. So you write the formula for the area and put the area is equals to 0 and solve for k. Now you take the first one, that is 7 minus 2, 5, 1, 3k. Now you consider the vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then write the formula for the area. Area, take here, first one you write, as these 3 points are collinear, as these 3 points are collinear, area of the triangle we have to consider, right? We have to consider the area of triangle is 0. So you write that formula for the area of the triangle. Area of triangle equals area of triangle equals, what is that? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 must be equals to what? 0. Then you write the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then you take x1 is 7 here and y2 is 1 minus y2 is 1 minus y3 is k. So right, it is 1 minus k. Then plus x2. x2 is 5 and y3 is k minus y1 is minus 2. Minus of minus 2 you must write, plus x3 is 3, x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is 1, that equals 0 you take. Then you can consider, you can leave this half as it is a product of that complete bracket. So you write, multiply this, 7 into 1 is 7 minus 7k plus 5 into, that is nothing but k plus 2 plus 3 into sum of this minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3 equals 0. Then you write 7 minus 7k plus 5k, 5 into k is 5k, plus 5 into 2 is 10. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 equals 0. Then add these 3. It becomes 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. And this minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k. 7 minus 5 is 2. The greater number 7 is having negative sign, so you must write minus 2. So 8 minus 2k equals 0. Then minus 2k equals 0 minus 8. Then minus 2k equals minus 8. Then k equals minus 8 by minus 2. So it is 2 ones are 2 fours are. You got the value of k is 4. Value of k is 4. Here with the help of the area formula you got the value of the k. The second one, 8 1 k minus 4 2 minus 5. The coordinates are, here you consider, the first one is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Here also you write, since the given points are collinear, since the given points are collinear, the area of the triangle formed by them must be 0. Area of triangle formed by them must be 0. Must be 0. Therefore you take, area of triangle equals, you know the formula, half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. Here the formula is very simple. You must know the logic here. Then x3 into y1 minus y2 equals how much? The area is 0. Then you write the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 equals. So write equals x1 is, that is value of x1 is 8 and y2 is negative 4, that is minus 4, minus y3. y3 is minus 5, right? That minus of minus 5. Then plus x2 is k here, k into y3. y3 is minus 5 minus y1 is 1. y1 is 1 plus x3 is 2, y1 1 minus y2 is minus 4 equals 0, equals half into. Here you can leave that half, so you write 8 into minus 4, minus of minus 5 is plus 5. Plus k into minus of minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 5, sum of minus 5 and minus 1 is minus 6. Plus 2 into 1 minus of 1 minus 4 is 1 plus 4 equals 0. Then 8 into minus 4 plus 5 means 5 minus 4, that is 1, plus k into minus 6 is minus 6k, plus 2 into sum of 1 and 4 is 5 equals 0. Then it is 8 ones are 8 minus 6k plus 10 equals 0. Then 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 minus 6k equals 0. Then 6k equals, or you write minus 6k equals minus 18. Therefore k equals minus 18 by minus 6. You know that minus by minus becomes plus. 6 ones are 6 threes are. So you got k equals 3 here. The value of k is 3. In this way got the value of k with the help of the area of a triangle. Next, the third question. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Here consider the given triangle is triangle ABC, and P, Q, R are the midpoints of the sides AB, AC and BC respectively. P, Q, R are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively. Now we have to find the ratio of the area of the triangle PQR and triangle ABC. Now the vertices of the triangle are given. So let us consider A is a vertex with the coordinates 0, minus 1. B is a vertex with the coordinates 2, 1. And C is a vertex with the coordinates 0, 3. And we have to find the coordinates of the midpoints by using the midpoint formula. To find the coordinates of the midpoint P of AB, to find the coordinates of the midpoint P of AB. So A is a point with the coordinates 0, minus 1 and B is a point with the coordinates 2, 1. Now the midpoint formula is P of xy equals, that is x2 plus x1 by 2, comma y2 plus y1 by 2. That equals, here these are x1, y1, x2, y2. Then x2 plus x1 is, x2 is 2 plus 0 by 2, y2 is 1, 1 plus minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 2. So P of xy equals 2 by 2, 0 by 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, that equals 1, 0. So P of x equals 1, 0. Next, to find the coordinates of the midpoint Q of BC, to find the coordinates of the midpoint Q of BC. So B is a point with coordinates 2, 1 and C is a point with coordinate 0, 3. 0, 3. Now let us write q of xy equals again you write x2 plus x1 by 2 y2 plus y1 by 2, that equals here these are x1 y1, these are x2 y2. So x2 is 0 plus 2 by 2, next y2 is 3 plus 1 by 2. Then q of xy equals 0 plus 2, 2 by 2, 4 by 2. So q of xy equals 1, 2. So you got q of xy equals 1, 2. Next, to find the midpoint, R of AC. So A is a point with the coordinates 0, minus 1, and B is a point with coordinates 0, 3. So these are x1, y1, x2, y2. Then you write the midpoint formula. What is that? R of xy equals x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2, that equals x2 is 0, 0 plus 0, x1 is also 0, x2 0, x1 is also 0 by 2, and y2 is 3, 3 plus y1, that is minus 1 by 2. So R of xy equals 0 by 2, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 2, that equals 0, 1. 0, 1 you got. Now let us find the area of the triangle PQR. Now you got the coordinates of the midpoint P, that is 1, 0, and coordinates of the midpoint Q 1, 2, and coordinate of the midpoint R 0, 1. So we have taken, what we have taken, 1, 0. P is a point with the coordinates 1, 0. Q is a point with the coordinates 1, 2. R is a point with the coordinates 0, 1. Now let us find the area of the triangle PQR. So we write, to find the area of triangle PQR. Here we have to find the ratio between the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints of the sides of the given triangle ABC, and also the area of the triangle ABC, that is area of triangle PQR is to area of triangle ABC we have to find out. Now you get the area of the triangle PQR by using the coordinates of the points PQR. So you take P is a point with the coordinates, vertex with the coordinates 1, 0, Q is a vertex with the coordinates 1, 2, and R is a vertex with the coordinates 0, 1. 0, 1. Now you take area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR, write the formula, that is 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, that equals 1 by 2 into. So here these are x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now you write x1 is 1, y2 is 2, y3 is 1. got 1 into 2 minus 1 plus x2. x2 is 1 and y3 minus y1. y3 is 1 minus y2. y2 is also, y1 is also here 0. You take y3 minus y1. y3 is 1 minus y1 is 0 plus x3. x3 is 0. y1 is 1 minus y2 is 2. Then 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 is 1 into 1 plus again it is 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 minus 2 is 0 you will get. So you got 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1. 0 you can leave. Then 1 by 2 into 2, that equals 2 by 2 equals 1 square unit. 1 square unit you got. So what is the area of the triangle PQR? Area of the triangle PQR equals 1 square unit. Then to find the area of the triangle ABC, to find the area of triangle ABC, so A is the vertex with the coordinates 0, minus 1. B is the vertex with the coordinates 2, 1. And C is the vertex with the coordinates 0, 3. Now you write the formula for the area of the triangle, that is area of triangle ABC equals half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Then you substitute the values. 1 by 2, x1 is here x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Now what is the value of x1? That is 0. y2 is 1, right, that is 1 minus y3 is minus 3 plus x2 is 2 into y3 is 3 minus y1 is minus 1, then plus x3 is 0, y1 is minus 1, minus 1. Then 1 by 2, 0 into 1 minus 3 is 0, plus 2 into 3 minus of minus 1 is 3 plus 1, plus 0 into minus 1 into minus 1, again you will get 0 only here. Then 1 by 2 into, you take that sum here, 2 into, so 0 plus 2 into 4 plus 0, then it is 1 by 2 into 0 plus 8 plus 0, then 1 by 2 into 8, so 2 ones are 2 fours are, you got 4 square unit. Now you got that area of the triangle PQR is 1 square unit and area of the triangle ABC is 4 square unit. Therefore you can write that, therefore ratio of the area of the triangle formed to the area of the given triangle given triangle is 1:4. 1:4. Now the fourth question. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. Now we must have the figure of the quadrilateral. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral and A is a vertex with the coordinates -4, -2. B is a vertex with the coordinates -5, -3, -5, and C is a vertex with the coordinates 3, -2. D is a vertex with the coordinates 2, 3. To find the area of the quadrilateral, here we have to use the formula for the area of the triangle. So we must draw the diagonal for this quadrilateral to have the triangle. Now you join AC. Here AC is joined and there is a formation of two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle ACD are the two triangles by drawing the diagonal AC. Now by using the vertices ABC, find the area of the triangle ABC, and also by using the vertices ACD, find the area of the triangle ADC. Now you know that here the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is the sum of the area of the triangle ABC and triangle ACD. So let us find the area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle ADC. Now you take here ABCD is a quadrilateral with A with vertex A with coordinates -4, -2 and vertex B with the coordinates -3, -5, vertex C with the coordinates 3, -2 and vertex D with the coordinates 2, 3. Now first you find the area of the triangle ABC. To find the area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, we have A of vertex -4, -2, B of vertex -3, -5 and C of vertex 3, -2. Now write the formula for the area of the triangle whose coordinates are given here. Area of triangle ABC. Consider these are the x1, y1, these are x2, y2 and these are x3, y3. Now you write the formula 1/2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That equals half into x1. x1 is -4. y2 is -5 minus y3 is -2. Here it is. Then plus x2. x2 is -3. y3 is -2 minus y1 is -2 plus x3 is 3, y1 is -2 minus y2. y2 is minus 5. Then equals 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 5. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2, plus minus 3 into minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2, plus 3 into minus 2. Minus of minus 5 is plus 5. Then 1 by 2 into minus 4. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, plus minus 3. Sum of minus 2 and 2 is 0, plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 means 5 minus 2. You will get 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then you write 1 by 2 into product of minus 4 and minus 3 is 4 3 is 12. That is plus 12. Minus 3 into 3 is 0 is 0. Write plus 0 and plus 9. So you got half into 12 plus 9 is 21. So you got 21 by 2, that equals 10.5 square unit. 21 by 2 is. To find the area of the triangle ACD, to find the area of the triangle ACD, here A is a point with the coordinates minus 4 minus 2, C is a point with the coordinates 3 minus 2, and D is a point with the coordinates 2 3. Then area of triangle ACD, you take area of triangle ACD equals, write the formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y3 y1 minus y2. x3 into y1 minus y2. Substitute the values. 1 by 2 into x1 is minus 4, y2 is minus 2, minus y3 is y3 is 3, plus x2 is 3 into y3 is 3, minus y1 is minus 2, 3 minus 2, plus x3 is 2, y1 is minus 2, minus y2 is minus 2. Then it becomes 1 by 2 into minus 4. Sum of minus 2 and minus 3 is minus 5, plus 3 into 3 plus 2, plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2. That equals 1 by 2 into product of minus 4 and minus 5 is 20, plus 3 into 5 plus 2 into sum of minus 2 and 2 is 0. That equals 1 by 2 into 20 plus 15 plus 0 equals 1 by 2 into 20 plus 15 is 35. So you got 35 by 2, that equals 17.5 square units. 35 by 2 is 17.5 square unit. The area of the triangle ABC is 10.5 square unit and the area of the triangle ACD is 12.5 square unit. So you write the area of the quadrilateral ABCD equals area of quadrilateral ABCD equals area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. That equals, what is the area of the triangle ABC? Area of the triangle ABC is 10.5 square unit plus area of triangle ACD is 12.5 square units. That is sum of 10.5 and 17.5. 10.5, 17.5. Their sum is 28. So you can write the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 28 square units. 28 square units. Now the question number 5. We have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4 minus 6, B of 3 minus 2 and C of 5 2. Now you consider a triangle ABC. Let D is a midpoint of BC and we have to prove that AD divides the triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas. Now here we have to show that area of triangle ADB is equals to area of triangle ADC. Now A is a point with the coordinates 4 minus 6. B is a point with coordinates 3 minus 2. C is a point with coordinates 5 2 and D is a midpoint of BC. Let us find the coordinates of the point D. And by using the midpoint formula, let us find the coordinates of the midpoint D of BC. To find D, so we write the first. In triangle ABC, are the vertices. A is a point with coordinates 4 minus 6. B is a point with coordinates 3 minus 2 and C is a point with coordinates 5 2 and D is a midpoint of BC. D is a midpoint of BC. Now let us find D. Here you take, to find D, as D is a midpoint of BC, take the coordinates of the point B and C. B of the coordinates 3 minus 2 and C is a point with coordinates 5 2. Then consider these are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Write the midpoint formula. Consider D of xy equals, know the midpoint formula, x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Then D of xy equals, x2 is 5 plus x1 is 3 by 2 and y2 is 2 minus 2 by 2. Then D of xy equals 5 plus 3, 8 by 2 2 minus 2 0, 0 by 2. Then d of xy equals 8 by 2 is 4, 0. Here you got the coordinates of the D, which is a midpoint of BC. Now you got the coordinates of the midpoint, that is 4, 0. Now find the area of the triangle ADB and also find the area of the triangle ADC. Now area of triangle ADB. To find the area of the triangle ADB, to find the area of triangle ADB, so you take the points A, D and B. A is a point with the coordinates 4 minus 6 and B is a point with the coordinates 3 minus 2. D is a point with the coordinates 4, 0. So let us consider they are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Write the formula for the area of the triangle. So you write area of triangle ABD equals half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Then write the values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So you write 1 by 2 into x1 is 4. 4, y2 is minus 2 minus 0 plus x2, x2 is minus 2, x2 is 3, y3 is 0, minus of minus 6, y1 is minus 6 plus x3, x3 is 4, y1 is minus 6 minus y2 is minus 2. That equals half into 4 into minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2 plus 3 into 0 plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 2 equals 1 by 2. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 equals 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 3 6 are 18 and 4 4 are minus 6. Minus 8 plus 18 minus 6 equals half into sum is, that is 18 minus 24, so it is half into 6 minus 6, that equals 3 minus 3, right? So it is numerically it is 3 square units. 3 square units because the area is always positive. So you take this is 3 square unit. Next also you take, to find the area of the triangle ADC, right? To find the area of a triangle ADC. The coordinates are, the A is a point with the coordinates 4, minus 6. D is a point with the coordinates 4, 0. And C is a point with the coordinates 5, 2. Then you write the formula. Area of triangle ADC equals 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Then write the values. Half of, take this are x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So x1 is 4, y2 is 0, y3 is 2. 0 minus 2 plus x2 is 4, y3 is 2, minus of minus 6 plus x3 is 5, y1 is minus 6 minus y2 is 0. Then equals half into 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 4 into 2 plus 6 plus 5 into minus 6. Then half into minus 8 plus 4 into 8 minus 30 equals 1 by 2 into minus 8. 8 4s are 32 minus 30. Then it is 1 by 2 into sum of minus 8 and minus 30 is minus 38 plus 32 equals 1 by 2 into minus 6 again. It equals minus 3 square unit. That is, numerically you can consider 3 square units because the area is always positive, so you have to consider the numerical value. So in both the case you got, so consider this is the first one, this is the second one. From first and second you got, from first and second, what you can write, area of triangle ABD, area of triangle ABD equals area of triangle ACD, area of triangle ACD. Therefore, that implies a median of a triangle divides it into triangles of equal areas. Implies a median of a triangle, a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Two triangles of equal areas. That completes the chapter coordinate geometry.